Welcome to English Storycraft.
The Morning Train. Every morning, Emily wakes up early. The sun is just rising, and the sky is a soft pink. She stretches her arms and yawns. Emily has to catch the morning train to work. She lives in a small town, and her job is in the big city. The train station is just a 10-minute walk from her house. She likes this walk because the air is fresh and the birds sing. Emily gets ready quickly. She brushes her teeth, combs her hair, and puts on her blue coat. She grabs her bag, which has her lunch and a good book inside. Today, she plans to read a new mystery book on the train. She loves mysteries. They make the train ride feel short. When Emily gets to the station, she sees some people she knows. There is Mr. Johnson, the old man who always reads the newspaper. There is also Maria, a young student who likes to listen to music. Emily smiles and says, "Good morning!" They all smile back. The train is not here yet, so Emily sits on a bench and waits. After a few minutes, the train arrives. It is big and silver, and it makes a loud noise as it comes to a stop. The doors open, and Emily steps inside. She finds her usual seat by the window. She likes this seat because she can see the fields and trees as the train moves. She takes out her book and starts to read. The train ride is usually quiet. People read, sleep, or look out the window. Emily enjoys watching the world go by. She sees cows in the fields, kids riding bikes, and sometimes even a deer running through the woods. It is peaceful. But today, something different happens. A little boy, maybe 5 or 6 years old, starts crying. He is sitting with his mother, but he looks scared. Emily feels sorry for him. She decides to help. She reaches into her bag and takes out an apple. She holds it out to the boy and smiles.
Would you like an apple?
She asks. The boy stops crying and looks at her. Slowly, he reaches out and takes the apple. He bites into it and smiles. His mother thanks Emily, and Emily feels happy. The rest of the ride is calm. Emily goes back to her book, but she also feels good about helping someone. When the train reaches the city, everyone stands up and gets ready to leave. Emily puts her book in her bag and stands up too. As she steps off the train, the little boy waves at her.
Bye, nice lady.
He says. Emily waves back and smiles.
Bye. Have a good day.
She replies. She feels warm inside. Emily walks to her office, ready to start her day. She thinks about the boy and hopes he has a good day too. The city is busy, with cars honking and people rushing. But Emily feels calm and happy. She knows that sometimes a small act of kindness can make a big difference. And tomorrow, she will take the morning train again, ready for a new day and new stories.